Tell me that wasn't amazing. Hey, Blue. How are you doing? How do you like your new physics engine? You like it, huh? Yeah, I bet. I know. Tactile feedback, rigid body, soft body simulation, super real time. Can you imagine just now what you were looking at is complete real-time simulation? This is how we're going to train robots in the future. Just so you know, Blue has 2 computers, 2 Nvidia computers inside. Look how smart you are. Yes, you're smart. Okay, finish it up. We have another announcement. You're good, you're good. Just stand right here. Stand right here. Stand right here. All right, good, right there. That's good. All right, stand.